All right, let's see here. I'll just draw a circle. Oh, fiddlesticks.
Steve, boy, turn around.
Oh, hey, Josh. I'm making good headway on those designs you
What's
asked for.
this, Steve?
It's nothing. I just screwed up.
Oh, you screwed up, all right. Look here. What am I pointing at?
K?
It's green, Steve. It's our color and our philosophy. Every time you waste paper, Mother Nature weeps. I've seen it with my own eyes.
Oh.
Just some food for thought.
Why, Steve? Why?
Hey, Steve.
Hey, Steve. What seems to be the matter?
It's my carbon footprint. I waste paper, I own a car. I'm making a mess. What can I do?
Don't worry. This is what you do. Follow your heart. Go out into the woods, find Mother Nature. She'll tell you what to do.
Yeah, like a spiritual quest. Thanks, Steve. You're the best janitor ever.
Janitor?
Just follow your heart. Just follow your heart. Think green. Think green. Follow your heart.
Hello, Steve. I am Mother Nature. You were looking for me?
Oh yeah, see, I have this problem with conserving.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm feeling very, guilt-ridden. I use too much paper.
So?
So, isn't paper made from trees?
Do I look like a tree to you?
Yes.
Steve, you need to understand. You're an artist. Just as a tree needs water and soil, you need ink and paper, and food, and electricity, and shelter, and gasoline, and video games, and the internet, and pets.
Oh, I get it. So what you're saying is we're all trees. I mean, in our own way.
No, just try to waste less paper, that's all.
Cool. Thanks, Mother Nature.
Why don't you just use a computer?